Do you want really good sexual harassment prevention training?
Are you kidding me? Of course.
So you don't want tedious check-the-box training that will put your people to sleep?
Absolutely not.
Nope.
What if you heard about an entertaining, effective, web-based program that teaches basic and advanced prevention training for harassment, sexual harassment, and abusive conduct?
Would you be cool with that?
You know it.
Well then, you need Will Interactive's Common Ground Industrial.
What's wrong with you?
Distracted? Would you ever consider wearing a skirt to work?
Would you?
Let me take you out this weekend.
Mr. Kovac.
I know you're worried about how it would look to our colleagues, but it's fine.
I said no.
This interactive movie uses the power of storytelling, branching decision points, on-screen hosts, and interactive quizzes to promote a healthy culture of respect while modeling the behaviors that help make that culture a reality.
First, no matter who you are, treat everyone with respect.
It satisfies all legal requirements for sexual harassment training mandated for the 50 states, including California, Connecticut, New York, and Maine. This is training that works. Powerful storytelling that reflects a diversity of occupations and individuals and respects the intelligence of the audience.
Nice.
Yep. Common Ground Industrial. Watchable, memorable sexual harassment prevention training. Nice.